All right, here we go. Question number 22 from our 13-16 homework number 7 in MyLab Math. They want us to write the complex number in rectangular form. What they have given me is a complex number in polar form. I need to convert that into rectangular form. Now, it does say simplify your answer, including any radicals. Type an exact answer using radicals as needed. That means they're not going to allow any decimal approximations. And if I could just point out again, the formula for a complex number in polar form is r cosine theta plus I sine theta. What they want me to do is convert that into rectangular form, which is a plus bi. This is where I'm headed. This is what I have. And so you're probably not going to find an easier problem than this in trigonometry. And here's why. First of all, this angle, 7 pi over 4, is a unit circle angle. And I'm hoping by now that you've gotten pretty good at working with unit circle angles. What we need to do first is we need to go to 7 pi over 4. And for cosine of that angle, cosine, remember, means we need the x-coordinate. And then for sine of 7 pi over 4, we need to go to that angle and find the y-coordinate. So at 7 pi over 4, the x-coordinate is square root of 2 over 2. Don't forget about your I here. That's going to be I. And then the y-coordinate is negative square root of 2 over 2. So what we just did is we evaluated these trig functions. Now we need to get rid of the parentheses, which means we need to take the 12 and distribute. Now, lucky for us, the 2 in the denominator does go into 12 evenly, so this is going to reduce nicely, which gives us a 6 to distribute. That's going to give us 6 square root of 2, and a positive times a negative makes a negative 6 square root of 2 I. And then I want you to notice that this is now rectangular form, a plus bi form, where a is 6 square root of 2 and b is negative 6 square root of 2. That is now done. And I think if I stop right there, I would be cheating you out of some learning. So let's learn that the calculator will actually do this for us, okay? So if I drag this over a bit, we need to be in radian mode. And then I think we can just type this in the way it looked, right here in the problem. 12 cosine of 7 pi over 4, close parentheses on your angle, plus, now the I is the E and G button. And if you push it and it doesn't give you an I, that means that you're not in the right mode. So we're going to go to menu, and number 2 here is complex mode. We need to be in complex mode to get that I. So then I can either hit equals or I can hit number 2. And now if you look on the calculator, there's a little I up here that says we're in complex mode. And I am going to have to start over again. 12 cosine 7 pi over 4 plus, and now if I hit the E and G button, look at that, I get an I, sine 7 pi over 4. And I'm going to need to close that once for the angle, and then once again for this lead close parenthesis right here. And look at that. Look at that. Gives us the exact answer in simplest radical form. I love this calculator. Now, 6 square root of 2. Don't forget to move out from under and put minus 6 square root of 2. Don't forget to move out from under and put the I And notice there's not an I down here. If I hit more, oh, there is an I here, but I can also just use the I from the keyboard. I can just put in an I from the keyboard. Either way is fine. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.